Good morning, all. Today is May 24th, 2016, Tuesday. I didn't get to trade yesterday. Had to go to work early, and so I pretty much didn't trade. So let's just go over the daily move here. Seems like it's finding support on a moving average, and you don't really need a moving average. It's just my way to gauge on what the trend of the market is. But as you can see on this green candle right here, you got some buyers there, and then you got some buyers here. So it looks like this thing might test some of these levels, which I marked to be like the 48, 44 level. And really the next one in line is, let's see, 48.76 is the next one. So it's going to be a tight range today, and I'm going to sit on my hands until something really unfolds. Um, yes, looks like it's going to break out. It's been trying to break this level here. As you can see, it just peeked his head underneath this and found support. Found support at this level. So looks like it's strong, but I think it's just going to meander. You might just meander right here and test this 2080 high. So that's for the ES. Dollar index seems to be finding its ground, and let me see. Let me test this level here, 96, around 90, 96.4, around this area. Yeah, around 96.5. Gold for sure is collapsing. Interesting what the bonds are doing. Looks like might be a dead cat bounce here. So it's I guess supporting this area here. Your next level of support might find support here. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. In the meanwhile, fairly boring morning. Looks like the ES is looking for an up move. Let's see, it's already 11 and a half. So I can expect selling at the open. So let me switch over to a smaller time frame here. Yeah, it might just momentarily shoot up a little bit and then sell off like around the 9:30 time frame. So anyhow, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll come right back. Okay, guys. So I took an entry here at 38, and I'm trying to target this 48.78 here. So I'm not gonna move my stop right now because it's still a fresh candle. This thing just formed, so it's on a 10-minute chart. So anyways, I'll come back, give you progression. Maybe when it goes to 60 or something, then I'll tighten up the stop or something. But so you see, someone just sold a whole bunch or I guess someone got aggressive here at 48.50. So I'm assuming that there's aggressive buyers here that lifted that offer. So but there's no telling. I guess when you hit to 60, I'll tighten up my stop and I'll target 78. So well, we'll see. So this 50 level is very important. As you can see, it's just hovering around there. Very, I mean, it's very tight. So decided to peel one out just in case it crashes, and I'll get one to stop me out. And at least I took a profit already, just in case. If anything, I'll just add to the highs. If I don't get stopped out here, I'll just add to the highs and still target 78. So from what it looks like, I might get stopped out here. There you go. Anyways, I'll look to buy around this area again. Yeah, the opening drive is very strong, so I'm going to watch this level here, but really this is a price of interest for me. Like in the 90s area. So we'll see. I didn't get to watch yesterday's move, but it looks like it's a sideways market. So thinking that it'll come back and revisit this level before it decides to go up. So we shall see. The daily looks kind of nasty. As you can see, it's just in this range, and this is difficult to or at least for me it's difficult to trade. So we might be in the scalp mode today and be done. So anyhow, we'll see. This thing might turn into a down move here. So if anything, I'll short and I'll just keep scalping, maybe 10 ticks at a time. So we'll see. I'll be back. That was quick, traders. I didn't even have to had a chance to record. I entered a contract here to short at 33, and then I was able to get another one at 35. This area, so my average was 34, and I sold it at 24 for a 10 tick average here, and I was able to get it. As you can see, this is my second trade, or well, that was my fourth one because I was entered one contract at a time. So I'm sorry, my third one, my third trade here. 4 contracts so far, so I was able to get 10 ticks off of that one. So yeah, this one is going to be kind of hard to trade. I don't even know if I should trade this. So anyways, it's one of those days. I think what I'm going to do is maybe just keep taking 10 ticks at a time or so and play the lower time frames if this is the case. So in the meanwhile, I'll come back. I'll just try to see if I can find another quick trade here. As you can see, there is a buyer stepped in at or seller stepped in at about 35, where I was hitting the bid at 35. My first entry was 32, and I started hitting it at about 35. So that worked out pretty good for me. I'll wait again. It looks like maybe I'll use 48.18 as a support since it broke out of that one. But really, this is probably more of an ideal place to buy. So anyways, I'll wait again until maybe next go around, find me a better setup that I can actually recognize. So I'll be right back. Just a quick update here. Just doing some analysis on the hourly chart. Looks like, yeah, the price is compressing here somewhere, so it's deemed to break somewhere. My guess is up. but we shall see. So it might just meander around here and wait for tomorrow's report. So there's Wednesday, so you got to keep that in mind. So in the meanwhile, I'm still sitting on my hand since my last trade, so I'll wait for a better opportunity. In any event, and besides, I'm already up about 31 ticks so far. So, anyways, I'll come back. Okay, guys, it doesn't look like this market wants to make up its mind. As you can see, it's just kind of dancing around this price level here. And watch, as soon as I say that, it'll move somewhere. So, anyways, I think I don't think I'm willing to trade this price action here just because I mean I still truly think it's going to hit my target here, but right now I just can't find any conviction in trading it. So, and I've seen this pattern before. It'll keep you guessing until you slowly lose your money. So, and I'm my focus now is really to just look at the big picture here, and right now, like I said, I think I just happen to remember how this pattern goes. So, and it showed sign yesterday, as you could see. I mean, there's no conviction to either down or upside. So, I mean, yeah, you could have would have captured this trade here, and that would be great. But you know, if you're long, somebody's probably buying right here, and well, you'll get stopped out. So, and it's very range bound. So, I think that's it for me today. I'll just go to work early, and I'll just try again tomorrow. If you guys have any questions, just shoot me or leave a comment, feedback. Until then, I guess I see you guys on the next video. And again, I thank you for taking the time to watch the video. So I hope you're learning from it. So, anyways, y'all have a good one. Take care.